Good morning, Mr. Frank.
Good morning.
Okay, let's dive in to today's talk. We will be discussing 6 easiest ways to make money.
All right.
So, Mr. Frank, what are the ways to make money currently, considering the situation and state of the world at large?
The number one on my list will favor women more. And that is lust. Men will always pay for attraction, validation, and fantasy. That is why industries like dating apps, adult entertainment, and OnlyFans explode overnight. They sell attention to lonely men. But you can use this understanding ethically. Instead of exploiting men, build products that help them become more desirable. Fitness programs, style advice, grooming brands, or confidence coaching. If men desire women, help them become men women actually desire. That is a business that never dies. The number 2 is women's desire for beauty. Women have one of the strongest buying drives on earth, the pursuit of beauty and self-improvement. From skincare, to fashion, to body enhancement, the market is worth billions. Why? Because beauty is social power. If you can help women feel beautiful, youthful, or admired, you will never run out of customers. Even simple businesses, like lashes, hair care, or self-care content, can grow fast because the emotional reward behind it is powerful. Key, sell confidence, not just a product.
Honestly, most women can empty their bank account just to look good.
The number 3 is the elderly's health. As people age, health becomes the new wealth. The fear of pain, weakness, or death makes old. Our people invest heavily in supplements, therapy, and anti-aging. You can serve this market through nutritional products, fitness and recovery programs, preventive health education, devices that ease daily living. The older generation has money and urgency. Combine both, and you have a golden opportunity. The number 4 is children's education. Parents will sacrifice everything to give their children an edge. Education, courses, and skill-building tools for kids always have emotional value. If you can make learning fun, modern, or more effective, you will win hearts and wallets. The formula is simple: appeal to a parent's guilt and a child's curiosity. That is why apps, tutoring programs, and educational games thrive. Invest in helping the next generation, and the current one will pay for it. Number 5. Rich people's fear of loss. The rich don't want to get rich, they want to stay rich. Their biggest fear is losing what they have built. That is why they pay top dollar for financial advisors, wealth managers, lawyers, and tax strategists. If you can protect, multiply, or secure wealth, you will always have high-paying clients. This is the difference between serving the masses and serving the elite. The elite pay for peace of mind. Number 6. Poor people's desire to get rich fast. This is one of the most emotional markets in the world. People struggling financially crave shortcuts, crypto, dropshipping, make $10K/month courses. Most of these are scams, but you can enter this market with truth. Teach real financial literacy, digital skills, or step-by-step methods to earn online. When you combine hope plus practicality, you attract millions of eyes. Because deep down, everyone wants freedom, they just don't know how to earn it.
Yes, the poor are always ready to pour for shortcut.
But before I leave, I would like to drop this advice. The cycle ends with you. And you have to understand that. Generations of men have been destroyed by comfort and distraction. But the new generation, the disciplined, focused, and purpose-driven men, will rise. Breaking the chain gives you the tools to become that man. You will learn how to control your urges, rebuild your focus, and redirect your energy into growth and success. The world doesn't need more distracted men. Thank you.